Hello Prime Coders, welcome back to Prime Coding channel. I am Aditya Mishra. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Cognizant Communication Round. Yes, one short video where I will tell you about complete guidance, what you need to study, how you need to study, because people, or I would say candidate, are starting getting this communication mails right there in their box, and they need to attempt it. So there are many conditions, many factors that you should follow, otherwise one mistake can ruin this particular opportunity from you. And don't forget that this opportunity will give you 6.75 LPA if you perform very well. So without wasting any further time, let's check that out. So we have pattern in front of our screen, which is section, topic and number of question. You can see section A, reading and listening, 18 question would be there. Section B, speaking, and 3 questions would be there. Section C, grammar, 34 questions. Section D, comprehension, and 15 questions would be there. In this video, I will be giving you a taste of what type of question you can expect in your actual online assessment of communication round. Okay, how question will come, how you need to be answer those, and you should follow the same way which I am telling, otherwise it might be issue for you. Okay, so let's start this particular video. Here you can see Cognizant invite you to take assessment. I recently uploaded a video. 26 people have started receiving the Cognizant communication mail so that they can appear for the round. Okay, so dear candidate, greeting from Cognizant. It is 60-minute test that you need to go through, and it's sensitive, hence we request you to complete mandatory pre-request well in advance to ensure a smooth assessment. Okay, because this particular test would be very sensitive. You need to focus first of all your background noise. No background noise should be there, no third party voice should be there, and one of the most important thing I want to add here is your earphone should be working, because what your seniors found, or I can say what 25 and 24 people found, that their Bluetooth was not working in their platform. So firstly test if there are test options, otherwise check from your side as much as you can check, otherwise you might lose this opportunity. You would be speaking about the answers, you are following the instructions, but still you will receive a rejection. And another most important point is, people do say that this is a rejection round. Can we get rejection? If your voice is not being recognized by the software, then definitely. Otherwise, when you are able to answer all of the question properly with correct pronunciation, no one can reject you. As you are a 4th year of engineering grad, you definitely will able to crack it if you speaks. If your voice is audible to the system, then definitely. Otherwise, you won't be getting the next round. Okay. So now reading and listening section, where you need to read, and there would be voices, voice, and mildly kind of voice, not only a single guy. You need to hear it, analyze and respond on it. So please read the sentences as instructed. So what actually happening here is, you will get 1 minute, or I would say 60 seconds, 50 seconds, or 10 seconds to read a sentence. Okay, so there would be a timer ticking on your screen that you need to follow, and yes, they will be giving you instruction. Okay, please can you read one first sentence, second sentence, third sentence in the interval of 10 seconds or 20 seconds, whatever they set for. Okay, and make sure that you are giving clear pronunciation of all the words and sentences, like he goes to school daily, so that every word should be audible properly. If any of the words are not audible, system will reject you. Clear? So now please repeat each sentence that you hear. Now in this particular round, there would be a system sound that you need to listen. A guy or a female voice would be presented to you. You need to hear it properly, and you need to just repeat that sentence which you have heard. Mind my words, the sentence won't be hard. It would be very easy to remember. But yes, if you are too nervous or overconfident or less confident, then you might fumble with the words, which you should not do. Listen it properly, have pen paper with you, you can write it as well if you want, like keywords you can write, because there would be a small sentence and the timer is also given, so you need to be very prompt with the time. Okay, so yes, like here the voice was, I like to start my day with a cup of coffee, and you said I like to start my day with a cup of coffee. Okay, which is similar. Now, massive success rate, because once you crack the interview, you need to convert the interview opportunity to the offer letter so that you can make your parents proud. Okay, so this would be the best gift that you can give, because here we'll take your in-depth mock interview with the real experts who crack product-based companies, who are working in product-based companies. HR and MR question would be asked to you to analyze how you are dealing with the situation. Full interview simulation would be of more than 90 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. More than 90 minutes. We will be sitting with you till the end. We'll be asking you your BSA company asked, or theoretical question, SQL question, your HR questions, MR questions, and these all mock interviews are totally respect to the company that you are having for. Okay, so resume review would be cherry on the cake, because here we will be telling you what mistakes you have and how you can improve yourself so that you will stand out in the interview. Personalized feedback and expert guidance. As the expert is sitting in front of you, you can ask anything. And yes, after your session, after analyzing your weakness, expert will also let you know how you can overcome from your weakness. Cool. For all of these, you just need to head on primecoding.in and mind my words, you're gonna crack it for sure, because we have a 95% success rate where people are able to crack it if they are following our instructions properly. Cool. So reading and listening section, where please give one or two words, answer two questions. Okay. So the line would be pronounced or played is, does the sun rise from the east or west? So this answer would be from east, or you can just say east. Please rearrange the words into the correct sentence. So his word, a brand new watch, and Rahul gifted. So this might be presented to you on your screen. Otherwise, they will be playing a audio that you need to listen, and you need to rearrange it as per the need. Rahul gift his friend a brand new watch. Mind my words, the sentences, the jumble sentences would be very easy. Just need to give a thought before speaking it, okay, because they will be giving you some few seconds to understand and frame your answer. In this section, you will be given three topics on which you have to speak for 60 seconds on each. You will have 90 seconds to think about each topic before you start recording. Okay, so there would be a topic presented to you and you need to think what you're gonna say about this topic, and the speech would be around 60 seconds. So let's see about the note. To help you speak on the topic, you are provided with the speaking points in the form of questions. Cool. Please note that the speaking points or questions are just suggestions. If you wish, you may also speak on other points related to the topic, but try to stay on the track. Don't go out of track, because in mock interview also we analyze candidate are not sticking towards the question. They are putting up everything what they know. That should not be the case. You need to be arranged with the context that you are building. You should not go ahead or go outside from your context. Question 1. The benefit of regular exercise. I remember I got a question which was what is your thought on public gathering? Okay, so why it is important to exercise regularly? What types of physical activities do you enjoy? Can you describe a time when exercise made positive impact? Okay, so these types of questions would be there, and you need to answer those. Now, next would be grammar section, which definitely will be there if it is a communication to check your English. In this section, you will answer a total of 34 questions. The questions are divided into 5 categories. You have 15 minutes to complete all questions, and each question is mandatory. If you lose it, this is your point, negative point. Verb forms. Fill in the blank using the correct form of the verb provided in brackets, and you will have a total 8 questions in your verb form topics. For more, you can head on to any LLM model and write, I want cognizant previous year verb form question, or can you provide the sample questions as per your research? It will definitely show you some sample questions that can help you to prepare. Tenses, articles, prepositions, voice chains are one of the topic that you need to prepare, as these are the topics that we took from previous year. Okay, and it relies the same, like tense provide brackets, and you will have total 6 questions here, total 6 questions here, total 8 questions here, and 6 questions here in your basket. You need to tackle it one by one. Now, this is a very interesting section where it is a comprehension section, which you might having, or you might have practiced from your childhood, that there would be a paragraph given and the question would be around that paragraph. But here there is no paragraph given to you, you need to listen the paragraph. Yes. For an example, you can have a listen this particular thing.
Urbanization is a phenomenon that has significantly transformed societies over the past century. As people migrate from rural to urban areas in search of better economic opportunities and living conditions, cities are expanding rapidly. This shift has led to various challenges, including overcrowding, increased pollution, and the strain on public services. While urbanization can drive economic growth and innovation, it also poses serious environmental and social issues. Governments and city planners are now faced with the task of creating sustainable urban environments that accommodate growing populations while maintaining quality of life. Strategies such as green spaces, efficient public transport, and affordable housing are crucial in mitigating the negative effects of urbanization.
So I hope you heard all of this statement. Now in this video, you can go back and listen it again. That's why I played whole voice. But in your actual Cognizant communication round, you won't be able to replay your audio. So I recommend if you can take notes of key points like strategies, the points which the guy said, if you are pretty enough to create some good notes in this particular time, then it's fine. Otherwise, close your eyes and listen to the words clearly, because you can easily find the answer revolving around it. Okay. So what solution are suggested to address challenge of urbanization, building more roads and high developing sustainable urban environments through green spaces? So I heard the green space word. Now definitely this would be your option. The options would be very easy. You just need to be attentive when you are listening in voice. Okay. Which of the following is not mentioned as a challenge resulting from urbanization? Is increased agriculture, strain of public services, overcrowding, environmental degradation. Now, as per the script or as per the voice that you heard, any remember for any keywords that you have might listen, or why people are migrating from rural to better economic opportunity to travel new cities. So I heard about economic opportunity, so this would be the answer. So this is the way that you need to figure out your solution. So this is from my side. Please consider subscribing your channel, as I am coming with more, like if you get technical interview, I will be coming with the resources. If you have your technical test, I will be coming with the videos. So yes, this channel is a one-stop solution for preparing your on-campus placement drive as well as off-campus placement drive. Check out the latest video which I have uploaded regarding the placements, like how you can apply for placements, and there are many off-campus opportunities available on the channel. Subscribe it, share this video with your friends so that your friend can also succeed in their career, and I will meet you with a new video soon.